You need roof and gutter services in South Elgin, Illinois, but you're unsure which to have replaced first. But what if we told you you don't have to choose? Bundling your roof and gutters can save on labor fees and can shorten project timelines. Bundling projects also means fewer interruptions to your daily life. Living with one installation project can be tough. Juggling two could be incredibly difficult. Installing your roof and gutters together makes it easy to check whether your gutters fit the roof. Combining your roof and gutter replacement also lowers the risk of rain or snow catching you off guard. Gutters drain water from your roof and home. Without them, water can pool on your roof and around your house. Standing water can seep into your roof, causing leaks and structural damage. Pooling water can crack and bow foundation walls, allowing moisture to seep into basements and cause mold growth. Standing water can erode nearby soil, further ruining the foundation. Water can also damage house siding and kill plants from overwatering. Having your roof and gutter replaced at the same time also helps your curb appeal and can help you choose products that complement each other. You can trust Apex Exteriors to install your roof and gutters together. We've worked throughout Kane County for years and have done plenty of bundled roof and gutter work. If you're ready to begin your roof and gutter installation, visit us online to schedule a free estimate today.